bro, you don't better look out.
Nuh-uh. Oh, no, I ain't even know. I ain't even know. Okay. Look out. Wait a minute. You got some Chewy Performance over there.
Look out.
Chewy Performance. Versus this. Look out, what's up with it? What Chewy over there working with? Yeah, I'm gonna raffle it off one day. I still be thinking about it. I need to go and start it. I need to go and start the raffle on my. Come on, do the burnout. Ah, he bagging back up in the wall. Let me see. Brian Mason is in the building, y'all. Okay. Yeah, they gave me a raw hot dog in Ennis, man. Okay. Look at all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. We live on YouTube. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Big community over here. Tore him up on the tree. Right line for the win. He tore him up on the tree. Let me see what's going on back here in the back. Uh-oh. Okay. Hey. Okay. Got this thing here coming back up. Hey, I like that. Let me see. I don't even know where my car is, y'all. Hey, you roll right. Oh, there go my car back there, y'all. That's good. It's still in line, right? Still in line. Okay. What happened? Huh?
Let me tell all your fans how I beat you.
Okay.
They gotta go get these.
Yeah, you gotta get one of them stickers, man.
I had like 10 of these in the car. That's how I beat them. You know what I'm saying? These add extra horsepower now. Don't tap in with my boy.
Tap in, y'all.
Look out racing, man.
Look out, y'all. This time, they said I need to give you the back tire and the head.
Give me the back tire and the bottle you got.
Okay. I'm gonna give them all that, y'all. I'm finna give them that. Hey. Hey. You on my YouTube channel, right? Lookout Racing.
Okay, I'm gonna look it up.
Yeah, let me try to get you a card. That's what I was missing. That's what I was looking for. Please be a card in here. I need to have something. All my people that's watching on TikTok, when y'all get in here, yeah, that was my ride in the beginning, Jason Sims. I be racing it all the time. I ain't where some cars at, man. Ooh, I feel something. Oh, hell yeah, there go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I got me about 5 or 7. Be more, please, baby. Oh, I don't feel nothing else. Oh, is that one? Okay, there go 2 more. Let me check this out. Oh, there goes some. That's 1, 2. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to do some business. Let me check my bag. Please be something else in the bag. Ooh, I think it is. It ain't though. What about the sides? Nope, I'm out of cars. I gotta go reinvest. I done passed out 15,000 cars during my Look out, I'm trying to look out. Yeah, I need to restock. Yeah, when I be buying them 5,000 at a time, I be feeling like I ain't gonna never. I feel like feeling like I ain't gonna never get rid of all of them, but I was grabbing them things like
Trying to sell stickers. You out here bullshit.
Try to sell them for me, man.
You out here bullshit.
I can't do them all at the same time.
These here $8.
I was been thinking he supposed to got out of it. Why didn't he get out? Damn. Ooh-wee. Y'all seen him? He was more dangerous than the car was. Ooh-wee. All over the road, knocking over cones. Didn't lift nothing, just stayed in it, just don't give a damn. 400 shot problem. Hey, look out, y'all. Let's get them likes up one time for the one time. Them likes should be up. We done had 600 people in the YouTube 2 times. Probably ain't got 300 likes yet. Half y'all can't be using the same excuse. He was handling it. He handled it. Shane said he handled that motherfucker, y'all. Yeah, he handled it. He ain't get off no button either. He stayed on everything. Everything. Yeah, he a street race. He be over there with Limping now. He be over there with Limping. Can I get a yeehaw? Okay. Look out, miss. You on my YouTube channel? You on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, they told you? Yeah, miss, it's on Lookout Racing, miss. On YouTube. It's going down like James Brown. Yeah. She about to subscribe, y'all. Look out. Let me see something. Boom. She about to subscribe. Yeah, Lookout Racing. Oh, look at me right there, number 2.